Have you heard the mysterious noise echoing across Cincinnati neighborhoods like Northside, Clifton, and Camp Washington? For weeks, residents have been tormented by a high-pitched, siren-like noise that disrupts their sleep. It starts around 10 p.m. and can last until 3 or 4 a.m. This sound is described as a whirring, oscillating tornado siren-like noise that's foreign to the local soundscape. Social media is buzzing with speculation and humor, from storm sirens to talk of Yetis, the ghost of Queensgate, and even Stranger Things-style portals. Many believe the sound might be industrial, possibly coming from the nearby CSX Queensgate rail yard. An anonymous source claims it might be the CSX-T8431 trim engine, known for its abnormally loud revs shoving railcars. CSX denies confirming any locomotive being responsible, stating they follow standard maintenance for noisy equipment. City officials are actively investigating, encouraging residents to report incidents using the 311 non-emergency line or contact the EPA. Stay tuned for more updates. From Yetis to rail yards, Cincinnati's mysterious sound puzzle continues to intrigue. If you like this content, please like and subscribe for more intriguing stories.